Hello, guys, and again, welcome to the Spiritual Life podcast. And I'm your host, Lalit Sharma. So, guys, my today's topic is about, are you scared of losing your wife or girlfriend? Guys, if you think that you are the only one that is scared of losing your girlfriend or wife, and most of you have already realized that, yeah, you are scared, or you some kind of, in a way, are jealous or possessive towards your girlfriend or your wife. Guys, these things are normal, but for those who believe that these are normal, but these things cause us suffering and pain. We feel like, why are these things happening to me? Because when we look at some people, their relationship are like so good. They are not jealous, they are not like hated toward each other. They just love each other without any kind of jealousy or any kind of like possessiveness, and their relationship will look like very sweet and nice. But when we look at ourselves and realize that we are scared, or we are like afraid of losing, or we get kind of jealous or possessive, like when someone like talk to our girlfriend, wife, or when our girlfriend or boyfriend tries to like look at other girl or boy, and we believe that jealousy and possessiveness are normal. But guys, these things are not normal. We have like become accustomed to, or we have just like been like conditioned, or like it has become normal for us, but it is not normal because we got like used to it. We have realized that we can't change it, so why like resist it, or why like try to change it? But that's not true. Don't try to change it, or don't try to force it. But when you understand or realize that, yeah, you are scared of like losing your girlfriend, or you feel pain when your girlfriend and boyfriend actually go away from your life, and you get like jealous or possessive when someone talk to a girlfriend or boyfriend, you have to just realize that, yeah, you are jealous or scared. There's nothing else. Don't try to complicate things, and don't try to like make them sweet or less painful. No, you have to realize whatever it is. Yeah, just realize that, yeah, you are scared of losing your girlfriend and boyfriend. And when you realize it and when you understand it, you are like move away, or you can move away from suffering and pain, because now you have realized that this thing, or the thing that is making you scared, or the thing that is making you possessive or jealous, you are able to understand it, and you are able to be like face to it. And guys, what is that thing? That thing is like your desire to maintain that security. Guys, everyone like want to experience same thing again and again, same kind of pleasure, same kind of experience or security. And whenever like there is like any kind of threat to that security or that experience, we experience pain. For example, you look at your girlfriend and you experienced a joy, and you had like sex, or you try to make out with your girlfriend and boyfriend, and you had a nice experience. But our mind tries to make it repeat itself and try to want that thing again and again, to experience that emotion again. So whenever like we have a need or desire to repeat what we had experienced in our life, we try to become get used to it, or we try to like force it in our life, and we try that thing remain in our life forever. So whenever like there's any threat to that your relationship, or whenever you see that other guy might take your girlfriend, or when other girl might take your boyfriend away, or whenever you see that she's getting close to someone else, you see a threat that is happening to your relationship or to you. Because if that thing happened really, like if your girlfriend really goes away, you will come face to face with your pain and suffering and your loneliness, that you are dependent on your girlfriend or boyfriend to feel those emotions again and again. And you feel suffering and pain because you see a threat to your maintained positivity or maintained joy. You see that your girlfriend might go away and you might not have anyone to make you feel happy or joy. So, guys, realize that you are not scared of actually losing your girlfriend and boyfriend. What you are actually scared of is that loneliness or that feeling of being alone or left out or being like having no one around yourself. That is the feeling that is making you suffer, because we are dependent on our girlfriend, boyfriend, or wife or husband to make us feel a certain way. And when we see that they might go away and we will not be able to experience those things again, we suffer. So, guys, understand whenever you experience those things, understand it, watch it, realize it, and keep asking yourself questions like, why is this happening? What is the meaning of this? How can I learn from this? What is this thing? And you will come to this point that you were not actually scared of losing your girlfriend and boyfriend. What you were actually scared of is that loneliness or that feeling of being left out and not able to experience those things that your girlfriend and boyfriend or husband or wife make you feel right now. So, guys, keep examining your thoughts, keep examining your emotions, keep a check on your emotions, like why they are happening, where they are coming from, what are these beliefs, and why they are happening to you. And when you examine, when you watch, and when you realize that these things are happening, and when you accept it, you are able to overcome all this fear, jealousy, and everything, because then you realize that yeah, we are alone, we can do nothing about it, and what's the wrong with being alone? These are all the belief and misconception that our environment have created, that we are supposed to be not alone or we are supposed to be always happy. That's not true. We were here coming alone and we will go alone. We will die alone. No one will be with you when you will die, and no one was with you when you were born. So no one is going to stay with you forever, and there's nothing wrong with being lonely or feeling any kind of emotion. You just have to realize that these are all the beliefs that your conditions have created for you. So realize these things, watch these things, and you will be able to overcome all of these suffering and pain that you feel every day. So, guys, that's all for today's episode, and if you liked it, please share it with your friends, family, people you love and care about. Thank you again.